Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with our first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Some numbers are here on the blackboard. First number is 68. 6 and 8 are the digits in this number, and that is a 2-digit number. Second number is 249. 249. That is a 3-digit number, and digits are 2, 4 and 9. Third number is 3268. That is a 4-digit number, and we have the digits here 3, 2, 6, 8. And the fourth number we have only 8. That 8 is also a number. That is only a single digit, but still it is a number. Now we are going to see how to compare the numbers from a group of a number. Means which number is the greater and which number is the smaller. How to decide that we are going to see now. For that we have some rules. First rule. The number having more digits will be greater number. Now see, for example, 7298 and second number 32,916. Now this first number is having only 4 digits and second number is having 5 digits. That means the number which are having the less digits is the smaller number, and the number which are having the more digits is the greater number. Therefore, 7298 is smaller than 32,916. Now second rule. If two numbers have same number of digits, then we have to compare at the extreme left. For example, now see 72,918 and another number 62,319. Number of digits are same in both the numbers. Here 5 digits, here also 5 digits. Then we have to think for the first extreme left digit, that is 7 and 6 over here. Now 7 is greater than 6. Therefore 72,918 is greater than 62,319. Now rule 3. Sometimes we get the number, we have the same digit at the extreme left. Means if the leftmost digits are same, then compare the second extreme left digit. For example, now see 82,968 and another number 84,322. Now here in this case extreme left digit is same. We cannot compare. It is equal. So we have to think for the second extreme left digit, that is 2 and 4. So 2 is smaller than 4. Therefore 82,968 is smaller than 84,322. Now rule 4. Sometimes we have numbers, first 2 digits are same. So what to do? If 2 digits are same, then compare the third digit. For example, now see 98,326 and 9,820. First 2 digits are same. See, first digit is 9, here also 9. Second digit is 8, here second digit is 8. Then we have to think for the third digit, that is 3 and 2. Now 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, 98,326 is greater than 9,820. So, in this way, when we compare numbers, we compare the digits at the extreme left. If they are also equal, then we proceed to the second digit. If second digits are also equal, then we are proceed to third digit. If third digit also equal, then proceed to fourth digit and so on. Our next point we are going to study, that is forming a number. Suppose we have any 4 digits. I have taken here 2, 8, 9 and 5. To form a greatest number from these 4 digits, we have to arrange the numbers in a descending order. 9, 8, 5, 2. To form a smallest number using these 4 digits, we have to arrange them in a ascending order. 2, 8, 5, 9. 9th greatest number with the help of this 4 digit is formed, that is 9,852. And the smallest number using these 4 digits we have formed, that is 2,859. To form greatest number, we have arranged the digits in the descending order. And to form a smallest number using these 4 digits, we have arranged them in the ascending order. Now what is descending order and ascending order? Descending order means greatest to smallest. And ascending order means smallest to greatest. Now, on the basis of all these things, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 will start now. Your first question is here, filling the box with the appropriate sign equal to, smaller and greater. Now see, first question, 999, box 1000. Which number is greater, that we have to say. Now see, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. We have already studied first rule. We have to count the digits first and then we have to decide which number is greater and which number is smaller. Now 999 is smaller than 1000. Why? Because this number is having 3 digits and this number is having 4 digits. A number which are having more digits, that numbers are always greater. Question number 2. 2679 and 25,888. Now in this question, how many digits are here? 4 digits are here. In this number, 5 digits. Again, this number is smaller and this number is greater. That means 2679 is smaller than 25,888. Question 3 now. One lakh and 100,000. 1 lakh means after 1 how many zeros? 5 zeros. And 100,000 means 100 multiplied by 1000. This number is having how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means these two are equal. Now next question. 999 plus 1 and this is 10,000. 999 plus 1 means how much? That is 1000 and this is 10,000. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1000 is smaller than 10,000. This is 12,000 and this is 12 multiplied by 100 means 1200. So 12,000 and 1200. We have to compare here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits here and here 4 digits. That means 12,000 is greater than 1200. Now next question. Find the greatest and the smallest number among the given numbers. First number is 4,536. Second one 4,892. Third one 4,370. And fourth one 4,452. From this we have to find out which number is the greatest number. Now see, in all these numbers, first left digit is same. 4, 4, 4, 4. First extreme left digit is same. So we have to think for the second extreme left digit, that is 5, 8, 3, 4. 5, 8, 3 and 4. Which one is the greatest here? 8 is greatest. So we have to write 4,892 is the greatest number. And which is the smaller number here? Smaller number is 3. So 4,370 is a smaller number. Now question number 2. Our numbers are 25,286. Second number is 25,245. Third number is 25,270. And the fourth number is 25,210. Now in all these numbers, first two left digits are same. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 25, 25, 25, 25. Then we have to think for the third extreme left digit. That is third extreme left digit is also same in all the numbers. So we have to think for the fourth extreme left digit. That fourth extreme left digit is 8, 4, 7 and 1. So 8, 4, 7 and 1. Which is the greatest digit here? 8 is the greatest. So your greatest number is 25,286. 25,286. And the smallest number is 25,210. Next question now, question number 3A. Use the given digits without repetition and make greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Digits are given here 2, 8, 7, 4. From this given digit, to form a greatest number, we have to arrange them in a descending order. For that, which is the greatest digit here? 8, after that 7, then 4 and then 2. That means greatest number formed here is 8,742. And to form a smallest number, arrange them in the ascending order. 2, 4, 7, 8 means 2,478. Question number 2 over here. Digits are given 4, 5, 0 and 7. To form a greatest number, we have to arrange them in a descending order. So our greatest number is 7540 and the smallest number will be 4057. Question number 4. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 digits with the given conditions. First condition is given to us that digit 4 is always at 10th place. So greatest number and smallest number we have to form. And the condition is given to us, 4 is always at 10th place. So greatest number, I write here 9847 and the smallest number 1042. Now see the places over here. Unit, tens, hundred and thousand. 4 is coming at 10th place. Here in this number also, unit, tens, hundred and thousand. 4 comes at the 10th place. Question 2. Digit 7 is at 1st place. So number I write here, greatest number and smallest number our condition is that digit 7 is at 1st place. So greatest number, any number you can write. So I write here 9867 and the smallest number I write here 1027. Now question number 5a. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. To arrange the numbers in the ascending order, we go from smallest to greatest. From smallest number to greatest number, we have to arrange for the ascending order. Now see, first number 847, second one 9754, third one 8320 and fourth one 571. This is a 3-digit number, this is a 4-digit number, again 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. From this 3-digit numbers, first we will have to select a small number, that is 571. Then second 3-digit number 847. Now among these 4-digit 2 numbers, 8320 is the smallest and 9754 is the greater number. This is the ascending order. What we have done first? We have counted the number of digits in the given number. Means in this number 3 digits are given, in this number 4 digits are given, in this number again 4 digits are there and here 3 digits are given. Now the number which is having less digit, that number is smaller, and the number having the more digits, that number is a greater. So think for this 3 digits first, 847 and 571. Among this 8 is greater and 5 is smaller. So select that first as the smallest number 571. Then second 3-digit number will come 847. Now think for this 4-digit number. Among this 4-digit number 8320 and 9754 is smaller. So 8320 we have to write first and after that 9754. That means we have arranged this number from smallest to greatest. Now second question. See the numbers here. 9801, 38,802, 25,751 and 36,501. Like this numbers we have. In the first number we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Third number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Again fourth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. This number which is having 4 digits, that number is the smallest number. So, ascending order will be 9,801 first. After that 38,000, 25,000 and 36,000. Compare the extreme most least digits 3, 2 and 3. So 2 is smaller, so 25,751 will come. After that, in these 2 digits now, extreme left digit is same, that is 3 and 3. Now think for the second digit. Second digit is 8 and 6. 8 is greater than 6. Therefore, third digit will come 36,501 and the last digit 38,802. Now question B. Arrange the following numbers in the descending order. For the descending order, we write the number from greatest to smallest. Now first question, 5,000, 7,500, 85,400 and 7,861. Now from these numbers we have to find out which one is the greatest. Now see, this is a 4-digit number, this is also 4-digit number, this is also 4-digit number and this number is a 5-digit number. So 5-digit number will be a greater. So first we will write 5-digit number 85,400. Then think for this remaining 3-digit numbers, that is 5,000, 7,500 and 7,861. So from these two numbers, extreme left number is same. So we will think for the second number 5 and 8. 8 is greater, 5 is smaller. So 7,861 will come. After that 7,500 and last 5,000. This is the descending order. Now question number 2. First number is 1,971. Second number is 45,321. Third one 88,715 and last one 92,547. Among this is a 4-digit, this is a 5-digit, this is also 5-digit and this is also 5-digit. Now think for the 5-digit numbers first. Extreme left number is 4, 8 and 9. That means 92,547 is the greater. After that 88,715. Third number will be 45,321 and the last number 1,971.